Do you want to make a quick and easy stick-it note holder? Stay tuned and I'll show you how. Let's get crafting. So last week I shared this fab little sticky note holder which I have personalised. So this is created with a little closure on the front that then just pulls open like this, and inside I've popped my sticky notes. And then to close the little holder back up, I've popped a Velcro dot on the little closure. I then decided I wanted to make the sticky note holder a little bit more personal, so I added a little silver heart which has a letter L in the centre. Anyway, without further ado, let's get crafting. So the little sticky note holder I'm making today is from a lady's channel called Crafts by Julie. I think that's right. However, I will leave a link to her channel. So I'm creating my little holder from some mount board. The lady whose video I watched used a coaster. I've also added something extra to my sticky note holder, which makes mine different from Julie's. I won't say at this point what the added extra thing was. You will need to watch through my video to find out. Now then, if you didn't have any coasters, mount board or grey board, what you could do is layer pieces of card one on top of the other, and that will help you to create your little board to sit your little sticky notes onto. So I was lucky enough to come across my mount board, which is leftover pieces from a Christmas advent house I was creating. So I'll pop off camera and see if I can find a piece big enough to hold my sticky notes. So I managed to find a piece big enough, and this piece measures 4 by 4.5 inches. I then decided I wanted to round the corners on my board. I just think it looks much neater when it's rounded. So I took my little corner rounder only to find that the thickness of the mount board was just that little bit too thick to pop into my corner rounder. So I went for my envelope punch board. I've had this absolutely years and years, and I found that when I popped it onto my punch board, I used the reverse punch side. I managed to get the mount board rounded on the corners. Next, I've taken some lovely daisy paper with a blue background, and I've cut those down to a 4.5 by 4 inches so that they fit perfectly to my piece of board. And I also rounded the 4 corners on the 2 pieces of daisy paper. Next, I took a piece of plain blue paper and I took one of my border punches and I punched along each side of the blue piece of paper, and this created a really pretty effect. Next, I take my glue and my daisy paper and I'm just popping some glue across the back of my paper, and I'm going to add that to the front of my little piece of mount board. Next, I want to add a strip of my daisy paper into the center of this blue piece of paper. So I'll just take my glue, get this stuck down, and then add it to the front of my little holder. So on to the next part of my sticky note holder, and this is where I make my little sticky note holder a little bit different. And can you guess what it is I add? So here you can see I've got a pen and a little piece of ribbon. Now then, you might be wondering, what am I doing with the pen and the ribbon? Well, what I want to do is create a little holder to pop the pen inside. So I had myself a little bit of faffing on, but decided the easiest way and the quickest way to create the pen holder was to wrap the ribbon around the pen. So I've just flipped my holder onto the back. I've then popped the pen down the side of the little holder. I've taken the ribbon, and here I'm just popping a little bit of glue onto the ribbon. I will then flip the other side of the ribbon over and stick the two pieces of ribbon together. Once I'd stuck those together, I then found the glue had kind of seeped through the ribbon and stuck to the back of the holder, which was great, as I then didn't need to add any extra glue at all. Once the ribbon was stuck down, I then removed the pen from the little ribbon holder, and then I was able to add my backing paper onto the little holder. Next, I took a little wooden peg and I added some glue, and then popped the leftover daisy paper onto the front and the back of the little wooden peg. I will share with you later in my video what I am going to add to the peg, so stay tuned until the end and you will see what I create. I don't know what happened to the recording of the sticky notes being added onto my little board. However, all I did was I popped 4 strips of double-sided tape onto the back of the sticky note and pop those down onto my little board, leaving a border around the 4 sides. And that way you can see the lovely papers showing through from underneath. So here I've got myself just a run-of-the-mill black biro pen. Nothing special, nothing expensive, but what I want to do is zhuzh it up a little bit. So I've got some more of my lovely daisy paper. So I've taken the pen apart, and what I am going to do is take the nib of the pen and roll the paper around the nib. Once you've rolled it around your nib, you can then flip the nib out from the paper, and then just pop your rolled up paper into the pen. It's really easy if you've rolled it tight enough. And then just pop your pen back together again, and there we go. We have a lovely decorative zhuzhed up pen. How fabulous does that look? And it matches perfectly with the paper on your little sticky note holder. As my little sticky notes are for my craft fairs and for little gifts, I've decided I don't want to just leave them as they are. I want to zhuzh them up a little bit. But just before I do that, if you remember earlier in my video, I decorated a little peg with the daisy paper, and here I've got myself a cute little teddy bear, which I'm just going to add some glue across the back, and then add the little teddy bear to my wooden peg. And there you go. How cute does that look? So sweet. I'm then going to add the little bear and the peg to the top of my sticky note holder. And how fabulous is that? Now I can pop my sticky note holder inside my cellophane bag. Just get that sat in there perfectly. Line everything up, and then once I've lined my sticky note holder and pen nicely into my cellophane bag, I can then think about a little bit of decor on the outside of my bag. I've still got quite a few of these to make for my craft fair. Do let me know if you have any summer craft fairs coming up. Now to do a little bit of zhuzhing up and add a little bit of decor to my bag. So I've taken a piece of my blue and white lace which has a lovely fluted edge, and I'm popping this around the top of my bag from the front around to the back, and I'm just adding that with a little bit of double-sided tape. I've just flipped the bag over to add the lace to the back of my bag. I've then taken a lovely piece of blue satin ribbon, which I have made into a little bow. I've added a little silver gem into the centre of the bow, and I'm going to pop this at the top of my bag in the centre of my lace. And how cute does that look with the lovely bow and the pretty lace at the top of the cellophane bag, and then just peeping out behind the bow is the cute little teddy bear. How sweet does that look? I absolutely love it. And then inside we have the gorgeous sticky note holder and the pen, which is decorated with the same paper as the little sticky note holder. I hope you like what I have created today, and I hope you decide to give these a try. They're really fairly quick and simple to make, and honestly you can make them relatively cheaply, and they are great sellers at your craft fairs. They're also fabulous to give as little gifts. You could pop them to your co-workers, you can have them on your desk, your purse or handbag. There's loads of little uses for these wonderful handy sticky notes. If you like what you see, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing. I would be really grateful for this. And don't forget to check out more of my videos. So until the next time, take good care of yourselves, have a wonderful day, and I will see you real soon on my next video. Bye bye for now.